Think Hawaii is just Waikiki Beach and surfboards? Think again. Today we're uncovering 7 hidden gems across Hawaii. Places so secret most tourists never even hear about them. From a green sand beach to a cliffside hike with jaw-dropping views, this is not your average travel video. We've got a helicopter, a boat, and some serious hiking boots. This is a challenge to find the most mind-blowing spots in the islands. Are you ready? Because this is going to be the most epic Hawaii tour you've ever seen. Let's go! Our first stop, Papakōlea Beach on the Big Island, a beach with actual green sand. This isn't just any beach, it's a geological wonder that seems almost otherworldly. Only 4 green sand beaches exist on Earth, and this is one of them. It's a rare gem that draws curious travelers from all over the globe. Getting here isn't easy. You either hike for miles or hitch a ride in a 4x4 across rugged volcanic terrain. The journey itself is an adventure, filled with breathtaking views and challenging paths. The landscape is barren, almost lunar, but at the end you climb down into an ancient volcanic crater and bam, green sand everywhere. It's like stepping into another world. The color comes from olivine, a mineral left behind by volcanic eruptions and ocean currents. These tiny green crystals give the beach its unique hue. The sand sparkles in the sun, surrounded by turquoise water and black lava cliffs. The contrast of colors is simply mesmerizing. It feels like you've discovered a secret level in a video game. The surreal beauty of this place is hard to put into words. Most visitors to Hawaii never even hear about this place. It's a hidden gem, tucked away from the usual tourist spots. Standing here, you realize how powerful and creative nature can be. The forces that shape this beach are nothing short of extraordinary. It's a geological miracle, a beach made of gems. Each grain of sand tells a story of volcanic eruptions and oceanic currents. The waves crash in, swirling green particles in the water. It's a mesmerizing dance of nature's elements. The rarity makes it even more special. Only 3 other places like this in the world. It's a testament to the unique geological processes at work. But we can't stay forever. Our next stop, a 400-foot waterfall hidden deep in a bamboo jungle. The adventure continues. We're off to Maui. Let's catch that flight. Time is running out. The wonders of Hawaii await us. Welcome to Maui's legendary Road to Hana, a journey famous for its hairpin turns and jaw-dropping ocean views. But today, we're not stopping at the usual sights. We're going deeper into the heart of the island, hiking the unforgettable Pipiwai Trail to the majestic Waimoku Falls. The journey itself is half the adventure. Muddy paths squelch beneath your boots. The air is alive with the calls of hidden birds, and the scent of wild ginger and plumeria fills your lungs. Every step draws you further from civilization and deeper into Maui's lush, untamed wilderness. Suddenly, you enter a dense bamboo forest. Towering stalks rise like green skyscrapers, their eerie clacking echoing all around, while sunlight flickers through the canopy, painting the path in shifting patterns. It's like stepping into another world, a place where time seems to slow and the outside world fades away, replaced by the hypnotic rhythm of the bamboo. The boardwalk winds through endless green, creaking beneath your feet. And just when you think the forest will never end, the trees part and the sky opens up above you. You cross a cool, rushing stream, the sound of water growing louder with every step. The anticipation builds as the roar intensifies until suddenly, there it is, Waimoku Falls. 400 feet of water crash down a sheer lava cliff. Imagine a 40-story building made entirely of thundering water, its power both mesmerizing and humbling. The mist swirls around you, soaking your skin, while the deafening sound drowns out every thought. Standing here, you feel impossibly small, awestruck by nature's raw force. This isn't a gentle waterfall. It's wild, untamed nature at its most powerful, a reminder of how fierce and beautiful the world can be. The reward for the trek is more than just a view. It's a memory etched into your soul, a story you'll carry with you forever. But our adventure isn't over yet. Next, we're setting out for an island so remote, most people have never even heard its name. Get ready for what's coming next. We've left Maui behind for Molokai, home to the world's tallest sea cliffs, nearly 4,000 feet straight up from the ocean. To get the best view, we head to Kalaupapa National Historical Park. The lookout point is dizzying. The ground just drops away beneath you. The cliffs are emerald giants plunging into deep blue, with waterfalls like white ribbons. There's no one else around, just you, the wind, and this monumental view. It's humbling, almost spiritual. These cliffs were formed by a catastrophic volcanic collapse, and you can feel that ancient energy. The wind howls, the scale is impossible to process, and you realize how small you are. This is wild, untamed Hawaii, far from the resorts and luau's. But our next adventure is a man-made mystery on a billionaire's private island. We're on Lanai, one of Hawaii's smallest and most exclusive islands, 98% owned by a billionaire. But we're not here for luxury. We're heading to Shipwreck Beach on the North Shore. Getting here means navigating rough, unmarked dirt roads through a dry, rugged landscape. Suddenly you spot it, the rusting hulk of a World War II era ship stranded just offshore. The beach is littered with driftwood, the wind howls, and the ship looms like a sea monster's skeleton. You can't swim out, the currents are too dangerous, so it remains a mysterious, unreachable relic. The drone footage reveals twisted metal and coral growing on the hull, a haunting cinematic scene. It's a reminder that nature always wins, even over steel giants. This isn't your typical Hawaiian paradise, but it's unforgettable. Next, we're heading back to the Big Island for a lost world with wild horses. Back on the Big Island, we're setting out to explore Pololū Valley, a place so remote and untouched it feels like stepping into another era, a world that time forgot. Nestled on the northern tip of Hawaii's Big Island, this valley is a hidden sanctuary, shrouded in mist and mystery. The drive to the lookout is absolutely breathtaking, with winding roads hugging the coastline and dramatic ocean views at every turn. But the real adventure begins when you leave the car behind and start the hike down into the heart of the valley. Here, massive emerald cliffs tower above a wild black sand beach, with the endless blue Pacific stretching out before you. It's Hawaii at its most raw and dramatic, a landscape sculpted by ancient volcanic forces. The hike down is steep and can be slippery, but it's surprisingly short. As you descend, the air grows cooler and the sounds of civilization fade away, replaced by the rustle of leaves and distant crash of waves. The valley floor feels like a world apart, cut off from the rest of the island. The black sand beach is mesmerizing, its dark shoreline a stark contrast to the foaming white surf. But don't be fooled by its beauty. The currents here are strong and unpredictable, making swimming dangerous. Rope swings dangle from ancient trees, inviting you to relive childhood memories. The whole scene feels like something out of a dream or a movie set come to life. And then, just when you think you've seen it all, you spot them. Wild horses, grazing peacefully in the valley, and sometimes wandering right onto the black sand. They seem completely at home in this untouched paradise, a living reminder of Hawaii's untamed spirit. The entire place feels sacred, filled with mana, spiritual energy that you can almost sense in the air. It's a place where nature reigns, and every moment feels special. There are no buildings, no crowds, just raw, untamed beauty as far as the eye can see. It's a rare escape from the modern world. Pololū Valley is a hidden gem, a secret corner of Hawaii that feels a world away from everything else. It's the kind of place you never want to leave. But our next adventure takes us even deeper, underground, into the mysterious heart of Hawaii's ancient volcanoes. We've seen beaches and cliffs, but now we're going underground, into ancient lava tubes on the Big Island. These secret caves are hard to find, often hidden on private land. With headlamps on, we descend into total darkness. The temperature drops, and the air is cool and damp. The tunnel is perfectly round, carved by molten rock thousands of years ago. Lava sickles hang from the ceiling, and the walls tell the story of the island's fiery birth. In some sections, the walls glow faintly from bacteria and roots, like a galaxy underground. Deeper in, hidden pools of crystal-clear water appear, pure, cold, and ancient. Exploring these tubes is like being on another planet. It's a side of Hawaii most people never see. But now, for our final challenge, we're heading to the skies above Kauai. The grand finale, Kauai's Nā Pali Coast, one of the most beautiful places on Earth. No roads reach this 17-mile stretch. It's too wild and steep. The only way to see it is by boat, a grueling hike, or helicopter. We're taking to the skies for the ultimate view. As the helicopter clears the last ridge, the Nā Pali Coast explodes into view. Emerald cliffs, turquoise ocean, and hundreds of waterfalls. The scale is mind-blowing. Cliffs like green razors, valleys, hidden beaches and sea caves. The cathedrals, fluted peaks like Gothic spires, tower above. The beauty is overwhelming, almost unreal. This is the Earth showing off, a living, breathing masterpiece. Seeing it from the air is a godlike perspective. It's a treasure for the world, and the ultimate hidden gem. From green sand to wild horses, from lava tubes to this, Hawaii's hidden wonders are unforgettable. Which Hawaiian gem would you explore first? The green sand beach, the Shipwreck, or the legendary Nā Pali Coast? We tackled 7 insane challenges to show you a side of Hawaii most never see. If this sparked your wanderlust, hit like and subscribe. Our next stop is one of the Caribbean's most magical islands. Thanks for joining this epic adventure. Drop your pick in the comments. See you in the next video.